Hey natural ladies, so I know I have not been on this channel in like a year or two. I forgot when I started this channel. I think back in 2015 when I first went natural, and then I left it, posted my like me cutting my hair. Then I came back again and said I was about to start this channel up again, and then I didn't make videos again. But this time I'm serious about it. 2019, I'm really going to be putting my time and effort into this hair channel because yeah, it'll make me take care of my hair better. It'll force me to take care of my hair better. So I'm so excited to be back on this channel, even though some of you guys have still been, you know, subscribed to my other channel. So yeah, okay. So hopefully, you know, I can get this channel up and popping, and yeah. Also, update on me, if you guys aren't subscribed to my other channel, I have graduated college now, and I am a mom now. And my baby would be he'll be one next Saturday. So yeah. So today I want to do the natural hair tag, just to like introduce you guys back to me again if you were already subscribed, or if you are new to my channel, period. So yeah, so let's get right into it. I screenshotted these natural hair tag questions and I'm going to answer them for you guys. Okay, so the first question is, why did you start your hair journey? I started my hair journey because when I got to college, I ended up I ended up coloring my hair, and I was like a blonde, like my hair was blonde. And then I was like put rinses in it, so then it was like a red. And then after I put the color in it, I didn't feel like it was as healthy as it like was before, because even when I was relaxed, my hair was still very healthy. But once I put that color in it, it wasn't as healthy as I felt like it could have been, and I couldn't get it back to where it should have been. And then I actually cut it when it was relaxed. I cut it like right here, like kind of like a little bob thing, but not really. But yeah, and then I kept saying I was gonna cut my hair, but then I wouldn't do it. And I had started watching like natural hair channels like Glam Twins and Natural 85 and other natural hair channels, and I love to see like the natural state of, you know, their curls or whatever. And I was like, I wonder what my natural curl pattern is like. So I started to transition. I think I transitioned for like 6 months, if not longer. I transitioned, and yeah, and I liked the way my hair looked when it would be wet at the, you know, the roots when it was growing out. And I was like, I can't wait to cut it. How long have you been on your hair journey? I have been natural for 3 years now. I went natural on September the 25th, 2015. Are you natural, relaxed, or transitioning? I am natural. What is your length right now? I clipped it the other day, and it's not as straight as it could be, but so it's probably like right here. So it's like past bra strap length. Yeah, it's probably past bra strap length. I don't know how it would be like if it was like it's real extra sleek. It'd probably be a little bit longer than that too. But yeah, so that's my length right now. Like I said, I've been natural for 3 years. What is your goal length? Honestly, I think my goal length is, let me see, can I show y'all? My goal length is probably like right here. I think that's like my goal. Maybe like down here. Let's see if I put my hair. I think that's probably my goal length. But honestly, I know I'm going to get there, because I have been retaining my length really well over these last 3 years. But I'm not gonna, my brother asked me the other day, like, how long you gonna let it get? I don't think nobody expected it to be this long when I flat ironed it. And so, cause my hair shrinks. So when it's wet, well, when I do a twist out, it's probably like, my twist outs usually stop like right here. When it's wet, it's usually like even higher. Like I have great shrinkage. So, I told him that this is the longest I would let it get. It would not go no longer than that. So, yeah. That's the longest I let it get. And then I'll probably just, you know, like keep cutting it, let it grow, keep cutting it, let it grow. What is your hair texture? My hair texture is type 4. I would say I have more 4B, 4C hair. But I do have like some 4A like in the back. That's like, the back of my hair is the easiest for me to detangle. But yeah, I'm type 4. Type 4 to just save all of the drama. Don't be in my comments trying to tell me what kind of hair texture I got. I know it's type 4. Not that it really matters, because as long as I get the products that works for my hair, then yeah, girl, don't worry about me. Health or length? Definitely both. But if I had to choose one, I would choose health. I would rather my hair be healthy than to be long and like thinned out or split ends and dried out. I'm still trying to get my hair to be at its like the best moisturization. Still trying to figure that out. That's my goal for 2019. Hopefully we got all of us guys can like figure it out all together, try to get our hair as moisturized as possible. If you have any tips on how to keep your hair moisturized, please leave it in the comments down below, because since I need it. If you could only live with one hair product, what would it be? Deep conditioner. I need my deep conditioner. I need to make sure my hair is deep conditioned. Yes, I definitely need a deep conditioner. I guess I kind of would say leave-in too. I love leave-in, but no, like not deep conditioner. Deep conditioner, cause yeah. What's the worst product you've ever used? Now, y'all, I'm trying to get some sponsorships. I ain't trying to ruin no relationships, you know, before I get started. But no, actually, I wouldn't say it was the worst product, because it actually made my hair feel really good, but it dried my scalp out horribly. And that was by the Main Choice. It was some kind of, it was when the line first came out, and it was the spray, like the restoration spray to like revive your hair every day. It like really dried this part of my hair out. And actually I've just started to like get my scalp back to health with the As I Am for dry itchy scalp. That has been working wonders for my hair. But it's like I couldn't get my scalp back to health after I had used that product. It took me a while, and finally As I Am came out, the dry itchy scalp line, and that has been doing me, it's been doing me great. Like, what is your go-to hairstyle? A twist out. A twist out is my go-to hairstyle. Yeah, that is like the quickest and easiest thing for me to do to my hair. Are you a product junkie? I am. It's gotten better because I ain't having the coins to just be going out and buying every new product that came out. But yes, I love to try a new product, especially if it says for moisture. If it says moisture, they done sold it to me. How often do you trim your hair? I trim my hair once a year. When I first went natural, I used to just like clip the little relaxed ends off. When I would twist it up, and you know, you can see it doesn't curl up, it's just hanging, I would clip those off. But an actual like trim, I do that once every year. I did skip 2017. yeah, 2017, I didn't get my hair blown out and flat iron because I was pregnant that year, and I didn't feel like sending nobody's chair to under all that heat, because I usually get it, you know, flat iron during the winter time, like most naturals. So yeah, I wasn't, and I was way pregnant because like I was due in January, so I was not about to sit in nobody's chair. And how often do you use heat? I only use heat also once a year. As far as like this type of heat, like with a blow dryer than a flat iron, but maybe twice a year with just the blow dryer, because I usually get braids at least once a year. Since beginning of 2018, I got them for my when I was getting ready to give birth. So, but I haven't had braids since I took those ones out. So my first time blow drying my hair since then was to do this, and I do have a video. I don't know if that video is gonna come out before or after this one, but yeah. Do you take hair supplements? I do not take any type of hair supplements. Favorite oil? I don't really like oil, but I guess I would say my favorite oil is actually I do have a favorite oil. Sweet almond oil and jojoba oil. I can't remember which one, but both of those two smell so freaking good. I just love the smell of them. But as far as like the favorite oil that like helps my scalp is the new As I Am Dry Itchy Scalp. No, they are not sponsoring this video. They should though. Who is your hair crush? My hair crush would have to be Natural All 85. I just love her freaking hair. Her and how long does it take you on a wash day? First of all, I don't have a wash day. I probably have a wash weekend. I usually detangle my hair on one day, and then I wash it and all of that, and then I style. But yeah, it takes me forever to wash my hair. And I say forever, like forever. Like if you want me to do something, you better tell me before the wash weekend starts, because if it's not, if you catch me in the middle of it, I'm not gonna be done. Like I be feeling like I'm moving fast, and then next thing you know, it's the next night. So yeah, wash days are not my best friends. Hopefully now that I started my hair channel back up, you know, they'll move a little bit faster, being that I'll be trying to, you know, get my videos out. Do you dye your hair? If so, what color? I do not dye my hair, but I do have a surprise coming soon, so stay tuned for that, because I do want to try out some hair color. And that is the end of the natural hair tag questions. Just wanted to, you know, dip my foot back in here so you guys can get to know a little bit about me and my hair before I start posting all of my videos. I do have videos coming out to you guys, and yeah, I'm so excited to be back doing my hair videos. Hopefully, you know, this forces me to do you know, do my hair more. So not do my hair more, but have more patience with my hair, because I have a hard time like finding the patience to do my hair. But yeah, you guys, it was so fun doing this video. If you guys have questions, you guys can DM them to me on Instagram, and I'll put all my links to my social media down in the description box, and I'll probably put on the screen somewhere too. But yeah, so ask me any questions you would like to ask me about my hair or whatever, or videos you guys would like to see. And I just spit that anyway. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below any questions you may have. Okay, you can comment down below questions you may have also, what you're looking forward to with this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, you guys, see you in the next video. Bye.